Hi, welcome to Padai Planet. So today again we have got another question. The question is very good question because it is one of the exam style questions, and it says that this whole expression needs to be proven, that it's equal to 1. This is what we need to prove. Now before I move ahead with you on this particular question, I am going to discuss two important things which we will be using in this question, right? So suppose we have got a right angle triangle. I'm taking this it like this, and this is, we can name it also like A, and this is B, and this is C, correct? And this is our angle theta. Now we, and this is obviously this is 90 degree, it's clear. Now we know that, the sum of all the angles of any triangles is always equals to 180 degree. And if we say that, then that means angle A, if we try and find out the value of angle A, so that will be 180 degree minus 90 degree minus theta. Or we can say is that angle A is equal to 90 degree minus theta, correct? So this is going to be 90 minus theta. Now, the important thing which I wanted to discuss is that if we try to observe the value of sine theta from here, so sine theta will be equal to, and we already know that it's always equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite here is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. And if we, carefully look at this AB over AC, this is nothing but this is cos 90 minus theta, right? This is what is an important relationship which we will be using, that wherein sine theta will be equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. Similarly, if we see that tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So when we are talking about theta, then obviously the opposite is AB and the adjacent is BC. Now, if we carefully look at AB over BC, that means it is basically opposite over adjacent. But in case of cot, it is adjacent over opposite. So we can always write that cot 90 degree minus theta, this whole thing is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. So which means that from this particular triangle, if we see, we have got two important relationships. One is that sine theta is always equal to cos 90 degree minus theta, and it's vice versa also. We can always consider cos theta is also equal to, if we check out, we'll find that cos theta is also equal to sine 90 degree minus theta, correct? Similarly, we can check out tan theta, and that will be tan theta will be equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. Similarly, we can say that cot theta is also equal to tan 90 degree minus theta. Now, these are very important relationships which we have observed here. And these four relationships will not be used only in this particular question, but these are highly useful in many, many more questions. So my suggestion is to just keep this funda very, very clear, that if we are talking about theta, then this obviously becomes 90 minus theta. And if we work out these relationships, you will find that all these relationships are also true, right? Now let's get back to our question. Also, the question says, cos a square so much plus so much and so much, and we need to prove that the whole of this expression is equal to 1. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to do it like, keep it simple. It's cos squared 45 degree plus theta, we keep it same. And now this is cos squared 45 degree minus theta. So what we write it is, we consider this whole thing as an angle, as this angle, right? This angle. So that means we can write it simply sine squared 90 degree minus this whole angle, right? So which is minus 45 degree minus theta. And the whole thing is getting divided by tan 60 degrees plus theta, tan 60 degrees plus theta, and this tan 30 minus theta will be equal to cot 90 degree minus 30 degree plus theta. And similarly, this will also become plus. I'm so sorry, missed it. Now this is how we have got it. Now we'll further simplify it and we'll write it like cos squared 45 degree plus theta plus sine squared. Now here from 90 we will subtract 45 and what we will get is 45. So that becomes nothing but 45 degree plus theta divided by, we'll copy the same thing down, that is tan 60 degree plus theta, and here also this cot 90 minus 30 plus theta becomes cot 90 minus 30 60. So this becomes 60 degree plus theta, right? Now it's very simple. We can say that, cos square, this whole thing is just one angle. So it is, we already know that cos square a plus sine square a is equal to 1. It's a very, very simple relationship which we have been using in many, many questions of trigonometry. And this is like tan theta times cot theta. So that is obviously is equal to 1. So finally, we have proven this, that this whole expression is equal to 1, right? So I think it was understandable and it was easy for all of you to understand this. In case you have any queries or something, please drop in the questions and answers, and I shall be coming back to you with all your answers for related to this particular question, right? So keep watching these videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.